Crash course on Greenland. Greenland, located in the North Atlantic Ocean, is an autonomous territory within the Kingdom of Denmark.
Here is an overview of its key aspects.
Geolocation. Greenland is situated between the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans, northeast of Canada and northwest of Iceland. Capital, Nuuk, located on the southwestern coast, is the capital and largest city of Greenland. Population. Greenland has a relatively small population, primarily consisting of Inuit people. The population is spread across various settlements and towns, with Nuuk being the most populous. Economy. Greenland's economy is largely dependent on fishing, hunting, and mineral resources such as zinc, gold, and rare earth elements. Tourism and the service sector also contribute to the economy. Education. Greenland offers education through its primary and secondary schools, as well as vocational training and higher education institutions.
Inuit culture and language play an important role in the education system.
Brief history. Greenland has been inhabited by indigenous peoples, particularly the Inuit, for thousands of years. It became a Danish colony in the 18th century and later gained increased self-governance in the 20th century. Culture. Inuit culture is deeply rooted in Greenland, with a strong emphasis on traditions, storytelling, drum dancing, and crafts like carving and textiles.
The cultural heritage is celebrated through festivals and events.
Politics. Greenland has self-rule within the Kingdom of Denmark.
It has its own parliament, the Inatsisartut, and a premier who leads the government.
Denmark oversees defense and foreign affairs.
Top 12 attractions in Greenland. 1.
Ilulissat Icefjord.
2. Nuuk Fjord. 3.
Disco Island. 4. Qaqortoq.
5. Sisimiut.
6. Uummannaq. 7.
Scoresby Sund.
8. Eki Glacier. 9. Kuulusuk.
10. Tazermiut Fjord. 11.
Narsarsuaq.
12. Arsiat.
These attractions offer stunning landscapes, including massive icebergs, fjords, charming towns, and opportunities for wildlife encounters. In summary, Greenland is a unique and captivating destination known for its breathtaking natural beauty, rich Inuit culture, and the majesty of its ice-covered landscapes.
Visitors to Greenland have the opportunity to explore remote and pristine regions of the Arctic, immerse themselves in indigenous traditions, and witness the wonders of this vast territory.
Poem about Greenland.
In the land of ice and Arctic dreams, where nature's wonders reign supreme,
Greenland stands, majestic and grand.
A land untouched by human hand.
Glacier-carved fjords, a mesmerizing sight.
Reflecting the dancing northern lights.
Icebergs, towering with grace and might.
A world of white, an ethereal delight. Inuit culture, ancient and wise. Through the land, their stories arise. Drum beats echo, throat songs soar.
Tales of resilience, forevermore.
Nuuk, the beating heart of the land. Where modern meets traditions hand in hand. With colorful houses, a vibrant sight. Welcoming visitors with warmth and light. From Disco Bay to Qaqortoq's embrace, Greenland reveals its captivating grace. Whales dancing in the Arctic seas.
Majestic polar bears roam with ease. Greenland, a land of untamed allure.
A place where nature's forces endure. Let us cherish and protect this treasure, for generations to come, with boundless measure. Song about Greenland. Verse 1. In a land of ice and snow, where the Arctic breezes blow, Greenland stands so proud and true.
A world untouched, a dream come true.
Chorus.
Oh, Greenland, land of ice.
A paradise, so pure and nice, where glaciers gleam and waters flow. In your beauty, our spirits grow. Verse 2. From Nuuk to Ilulissat's Bay, where icebergs dance and play. The northern lights paint the sky.
A breathtaking sight, oh, how they fly.
Ridge. Inuit voices fill the air.
Drum beats echo, tales to share.
Centuries of culture, stories told. Through Greenland's beauty, they unfold. Chorus.
Oh, Greenland, land of ice.
A paradise, so pure and nice. Where glaciers gleam and waters flow. In your beauty, our spirits grow. Outro. Greenland, land of endless dreams. Where nature reigns and beauty teems. In our hearts, you'll always be. A cherished gem, eternally free.
Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335.
It is a great choice to plan your next trip.
You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel. Please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.